Hello friends, welcome to the Uçansu Şelalesi. I think you will like it very much here, and later I will go there and I will show how the şelale looks like. I'm sure you will like the şelale very much because when I see it, it's a really a nice place here. And if you just imagine, yeah, you just imagine to see the şelale, it's really a fantastic place, yeah. It's a fantastic place. You will like this şelale very much. I am sure you will like. Then you will come when you are in Antalya. When you are in Antalya, come to here and see the beautiful waterfall here. It is called Uçansu Şelalesi. Yeah, Uçansu Şelalesi, because it is coming from the upper side through the mountains and fall down. It occurs a fantastic view, really a fantastic view. Later I go upper side and see completely wonderful şelale here.
Oh, and if my feelings start to pray.
Yes friends, as you see here, it's a really fantastic place, yeah. Everybody come here. Is it Sum? Yeah, it's a Sum. Yes friends, today I show you a wonderful video. I think you will like it, and later after you watching this video you will come to see this waterfall. Okay, I think you will come to see the waterfall. You can go from here. No, you cannot go from here. How he comes here, I don't know. How he walks there. Okay, you can walk there somewhere, somehow. But let's go to see the around and to watch the waterfall. It's really a nice place. Yeah? I can go down a little bit down and to see exactly how it looks like. I hope I don't fall down. Yeah, I hope I don't fall down. Yes friends, where we come here, a wonderful place. I think you will like it here very much, really very much. It's a wonderful place here. I put this here, this thing, then it can show me, yeah, it can show me. Right now, wait a minute. I changed first of all the position here. Yeah, I changed position. Okay, friends. Yes, I can explain more at all. As you see here, yeah, as you see here, it's a really a nice place here. I hope my voice you can hear. I hope you can hear my voice. I didn't make a mistake. So maybe I come a little bit like this. Then you can see better. You can see also. I can see better later when I'm watching the video. I'm very happy here today. Really, I am very happy to be here. A fantastic place. I think you will like also to watch this video. Yeah, it is a nice place here, really nice place. How you can come here? It is very easy. You follow the Gündoğmuş, then it is already written Uçansu. It is already written Uçansu Şelalesi. Then follow the way. It brings you up to the here. Yeah. The cars here, you don't need to walk. You can come to here, you can watch, you can enjoy. Also, you can make the picnic here. Everything it is here. It is possible. You bring your family. You can make here picnic. Also, you can enjoy this beautiful place. Yes, friends. I opened now drone, and let's make wonderful videos from here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray